So how to fix Wi-Fi icon gray out problem on your iPhone? First method is just enable and disable your airplane mode, and if it's working or not. If working, then okay, and if still not working, then go to your setting and find the screen time option, and then go to content and privacy restriction and just disable it. Now go back to your Wi-Fi icon. If it's working, then okay, and if still not working, then go to your setting again, and you have to go the general option and press the reset iPhone. Now you see two different way. Press on first on. Now here is the reset network setting. You have to reset your network setting, and still if it's not working, then just reset all setting. Remember, it will reset your all of your setting, but your photos, videos or data keep safe. So don't worry about your erase data or reset. Just reset network setting, enter your passcode, reset network setting, and it will take a soft restart. And once done, just now hopefully your Wi-Fi icon will be fixed. So that's it. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day.